pushing you. So.
Oh, you're stuck. Look, you're stuck, aren't you? You let the door come down on you. Is she really stuck?
The seat. But she knew exactly what she was doing earlier today.
You know, just getting in and out of these things is good for her.
Yeah. You gonna get in your car?
Fall out?
She went back in.
No.
Get in your car, going so far. Oh yeah, get in your car. You like your car. You're happy with your
The
car.
car is better. This is the haul things. This is go help your dad take stuff to the dump.
Oh yeah, they totally did this the same last month as this one.
Go to it, Ava. She's so strong. She was dragging the bag of trash out around.
Oh, Mom put some new videos on.
Good. I can't wait to get back to my computer.
Aha.